Okay, my name is Bridget. I've done burping contests, and I've sang and made a fool of myself. Been with my best friend and my cousin from Canada. And yeah, so this time it's just me. And this time, I'm burping. Well, it's my Saturday night, and for once I have nothing to do because I'm babysitting my niece, and she's sleeping, and I'm watching a movie that's extremely boring. So I decided to do this. I have my 2 liter of Pepsi. It's pretty amazing. And I will take a drink. That felt pretty amazing. I'm always drinking Pepsi or anything that has carbonations in it because it makes you burp. But I'm an actual burper, so anyways. Okay. It was pretty good. I don't feel it coming yet, but I'll just talk till it does. Maybe take another drink of Pepsi, because I love it. I'm watching Secretariat. Pretty good movie. But it's completely boring to me because I've seen it like 10 times. And if I shut it off, the 3-year-old will wake up. I'm kind of thirsty. Pepsi has salt in it and it makes you thirsty. I'm currently on Facebook too, talking to my ex, and then a bunch of other people. It's a pretty funny story. Let's see if I can do this. I don't think it's going to be very loud. Nope, that was pretty pathetic. More. And I got a text message. Yeah, my ringtones. I don't know this number, but I'm gonna find out who it is. And my ringtone is "Bless the Broken Road" by Rascal Flatts, even though I hate the song at the moment. I asked who it was. I'm pretty sure it's that Eric guy that I gave my number to on Friday, well, last night, when I was at this place called Pando. Well, Pandemonium. It's where you play cards in Yu-Gi-Oh! I play Yu-Gi-Oh! But I'm a geek in a girly way. I don't play it as much as most people do. And, yeah, pretty much. I met this really, really weird girl, Sarah. Not the Sarah from Canada, but this other Sarah. She was off her rocker. And then I hung out with my ex-boyfriend and this guy Alex. And then this guy Anthony and this guy Jordan and Joe Debs. He's an awesome guy, apparently. I don't know him all, but he's awesome. I watched him walk down Middle Belt. It's a road in Michigan. On 8 Mile. That's where I live. On 8 Mile. I live in a mobile home park. It's fun. Ooh, text message. Yep, I was right. It was the air guy. See, I'll show you. 1 second. Message sending. See? See, it says Eric, but you can't really see it very well. No, you can't see it. Sorry. That was pretty good. I did not expect that one. My favorite color is black and red, but I'm wearing green because it was a shirt. Oh, and text message. I text really fast. I just typed a paragraph. It was fun. I'm like in an amazing mood and really, really hyper because I've drank almost all of this. It's about down to here now. And I just had a whole pizza to myself and like 5 breadsticks from Papa's Pizza down the road from my house. And I paid it with my job money. Yes, I have a job. It's amazing. But I have to quit it before school because it coincides with school. Because I have to work in the morning. But I have school in the morning. Oh, yeah. Hi. Yes, I know I'm talking really fast, but I can't help it. I'm just awesome like that, and I talk fast. I'm going to drink my soda now. That was a pretty pathetic burp. I'm doing pathetic burps. This is saddening.
Now, we think the abscess is gone. He still has a leak, and Mommy says his breathing's still a little shallow.
I don't know, those were pretty good. I've heard louder burps. My cousin Sarah from Canada, the one you've seen on the last burping video, but it was a burping contest that gone wrong because I threw up. Yeah, I wasn't feeling good that night. Secretly, the punch was spiked. JK, no. It wasn't. If my punch was spiked, I would be in so much trouble because my dad would kill me. But secretly, it probably was. I don't know. I'm not sure. It tasted funny, but oh well. I don't care. Ooh, text message. Yeah, this Erica is like maybe 20, but oh well. I talk to 20-year-olds all the time. Oh, the baby is maybe waking up. So I think I might have to end this early. I'm not sure yet. Just bounce, sir. You know, I can do an Indian accent. Wanna hear it? Welcome to Dunkin' Donuts. How may I help you? It sounds good, but I'm kind of hyper right now and I'm not practicing as much. But my Uncle Doug, he's gay, but he did this extremely good accent and told me if I put a red dot in the middle of my forehead, and not making fun of Indians, I'm not making fun of Indians, so don't take it offensively if you're Indian, but if I put a red dot in the middle of my forehead, I look Indian. But I'm not Indian. I'm Mexican, Chinese, and Indian, and French, Canadian, German, Irish, Italian. Ooh, I'm a lot of things. Ooh, I look tired because I didn't go to bed till 5 o'clock in the morning, but I went and I woke up at like 9 and got like 4 hours of sleep, and then I was up all day, and I had a lot of sugar. Ooh, it's a song! I don't know the song. It's a Kentucky theme song, but it was pretty good. Anyways, burping time. More burping. Those were pathetic. But I'm not sure. I'm running out of things to talk to, and I never talk about, and I never run out of things to talk to. I'm gonna check my Facebook, so wait a minute. La 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 la. Ooh, it's my boyfriend Kurt. He's pretty. I don't know. Me and him are like. See, me and him, we were dating at one point for like a whole week, and me and him, we stayed the night at a hotel with my cousin Josh. Eric. But anyways, asking me what I'm doing 2 Fridays from now. I'm not sure, but I'll probably end up doing something. But anyways, where was I? Yeah, me and him broke up because he thought I was clingy, and then this whole thing at the hotel happened, and it shouldn't have happened, but we were both intoxicated pretty badly, which I wasn't meaning to be intoxicated, but I needed to let loose. But anyways, and then the next day I went to the Renaissance Festival after dropping him off wherever he needed to go. I'm not sure where he needed to go, but anyways, he broke up with me that Monday after me and him been dating for a week, and this Friday, this was this Monday, and then Friday he me and him, he hugged me, and I'm like, okay, hugs are cool, we're friends, I guess. After I blew up on him on Facebook, and then me and him worked it out, and now we're kind of friends. Well, he kissed me, and I'm like, wait, I was confused, and he left after that, and I didn't get a chance to ask him what was going on. And, like, I asked him on Facebook if we were still dating, and he said, I'm not sure, I want things to be different. And I'm like, different how? I'm not clingy. I barely talk to him, and I barely text him. He doesn't have a cell phone, but seriously, I barely talk to him, and he's always the one messaging me first or calling me. So, I don't see how I'm clingy. Yeah, but anyways, burping. Sorry for that short intermission of me rambling. Ooh, it's in my Jar of Hearts by Christina Perry. It says Rockstar on it. It's my friend Ashley's, but she forgot to pick it up, so I started wearing it, and I forgot to give it back to her. Well, I haven't seen her to give it back to her, but she lives out in Dearborn Heights, and I live in Livonia, and anyways. And then, my breast cancer one. My grandma had breast cancer, so I wear it every day. Never took them off since then. Yeah, I think that's all for now. My stomach's starting to hurt. So, love you all. Bye. That was my burping and talking and rambling on about my life. Yeah, so, bye-bye. Oh, by the way, my awesome Metro piece of crap phone that doesn't want to slide.